Howdy y'all, this is Redwolf. Out here doing my thing, and I want to talk a little bit, do a kind of a long-term gear review on my Primal Gear folding survival bow. This is the 55 pounder, and it is a tool I am really fond of. I've had this for probably about 3 years now. It's been 2 or 3 years for sure that I've had it. And I've packed it a lot of places, and I've shot it a lot. It's really really responsive. I find them comfortable to shoot. There's some people, and I'll get into that a little bit, that don't quite like the angles here. I don't know what problem they have. I guess they're used to some form fit compounds or something like that. I've shot a lot of different wood bows. Save to get my boots back on here. I've shot a lot of different wood bows, and I've shot some stuff that is decidedly less comfortable to hold and fire than this. And I've been making me a quick little improvised arrow. I'm wanting to turn into a fishing arrow. I'm gonna do a little bit of shooting with it and all that, just as soon as I get everything situated here. But a little quick background on these. They are aircraft aluminum bodied, which be this part right here, and they keep a little tie right here. They come with a Velcro one, and I had a little cuff right here, and I had trouble keeping up with it. And to be honest, I didn't see any reason to carry that when I could carry a little bit of extra cordage type stuff on here. But it comes with a real nice string with a bunch of serving around the nocks and in the center. I don't have a nock point on here because the way I learned how to shoot, I adjust for distance a little bit. Instead of aiming higher, I pull the arrow up or down a little bit. And in basic construction, and I'm gonna keep sitting in my hammock for this just for y'all to see how little effort it is. So you got these little pegs right here, and they just twist out, and there goes your limbs. You pop one in, if I remember which way I'm going, you twist them till they're tight. And these are reversible, so you can shoot it like this or shoot it like this. Really neat setup. In my opinion, you end up with this little hollow channel. You got these kind of I-beam type spaces in here, which add a lot of stiffness to it. If I remember correctly, these weigh somewhere around 2 pounds, and the limbs are fiberglass with the same coating on the outside. It is basically weatherproof, other than some water on the string might provide a little bit more resistance, which means that it doesn't snap forward quite as fast. But I really like it. You know, I live in a what is effectively a rainforest, or is technically a rainforest. And what I really like about this is that it doesn't get tore up by the rain and all that. So slipping my first end over, hooking my second one in. Okay, got that hooked in there. And I'll just pop up, and I'll reposition my camera right fast. So got my bow out here. I think it's 5 feet, something like 5 feet when it's done. And I normally do a modified like recurve way where I put it on my foot and pull it back. Check everything's lined up. Things locked in good. Now I think these come now in everywhere from 35 to 55 pounds. I'm not entirely up to date on that. When you originally get them, they have some padding right here so that you have kind of an arrow slick. I haven't, with the kind of arrows and stuff that I normally shoot, I haven't found that it really matters much to me how it works. They shoot really good. They're snappy, which snappy is, it goes from a bent position to the at rest position really quick. Really fond of it. Let's see if this arrow blows up on me. No, but she flies. Rock on. But it's really good. You got your standard positioning. It's kind of a classic longbow, which is about a fist and a thumb, 6.5 inches, which gives you enough room for you to put your fletching in here and pull it back and fire it. It's a really accurate bow. It's been really consistent. I literally haven't had any trouble with it at all. You in the market for a bow, something packed down, weatherproof, I recommend them. I think they're still running between $150 US and $200. I think it's still closer to $150, but I haven't checked them in a little bit. And Primal Gear has all kinds of little accessories and tactical quivers, and they've got all kinds of cool stuff for them. I've been thinking about going on and picking up a few accessories, including, I think they were the first people to come up with like the takedown arrows and a bunch of cool stuff. But that is Primal Gear. I think it's Primal Gear Unlimited. Yeah, Primal Gear Unlimited. Really, really good bows, really good gear. I'm going to try and make another shot on a target up here, and I'll throw it in there just for the sake of doing it. But you want a recommendation from me? These are the bow that I carry most often.